Hello, everyone. My name is Dr. Brandi Carrier, and my EAI seminar is going to be focused on planning considerations related to searching for biosignatures in samples from Mars. We know that Mars experienced habitable conditions in the past, and that there are possibly habitable locations on Mars today, including the deep subsurface. Although the samples that are currently being collected by Mars 2020 are being selected in order to maximize our knowledge of life on ancient Mars, or potential life on ancient Mars, they'll definitely be assayed for extant life as well, for both scientific and planetary protection reasons. I currently serve two different roles within the NASA-ESA Mars Sample Return, or MSR campaign. I'm the lead sample integrity scientist for the Mars Sample Return program, which is responsible for the flight missions that are meant to retrieve the samples that Mars 2020 has been collecting and deliver them to Earth. I'm also the acting deputy project scientist for the MSR Sample Receiving Project, which would be responsible for the receipt and then analysis of samples when they arrive on Earth. And the samples are currently expected to arrive here on Earth in 2033 at the earliest, but the planning actually started many years ago because there are many important considerations related to planning for the science and the search for biosignatures in these first samples to be delivered from another planet. My seminar will cover topics including contamination control and knowledge strategies related to limiting and understanding potential terrestrial contaminations that might be present in the Martian samples, which might make our search for biosignatures more complicated. Also, we'll talk about avoiding environmental extremes that could degrade or damage potential biosignatures in the samples. And then on the measurements and investigations needed to thoroughly understand the samples, their biological potential, and evaluate whether any biosignatures are present. This planning is ongoing, but it's actually becoming a very exciting time right now in terms of Mars sample return. So I hope you're all able to join me on December 20th to hear more about the planning we're doing in terms of maximizing MSR science. Thank you.